Today, I've got an exciting list of 5 websites that are absolute goldmines for design inspiration. From sleek interfaces to jaw-dropping visuals, these platforms have it all. Let's dive in. First up, we have Civi. This platform curates some of the most elegant and user-friendly designs across the web. With its sleek interface and categorization, Civi offers a seamless browsing experience. Whether you're into web, mobile, or product design, Civi has a treasure trove of inspiration waiting for you. Next on our list is One Page Love. As the name suggests, this site is a paradise for those fascinated by single-page designs. From minimalistic layouts to interactive masterpieces, One Page Love showcases an array of creative and captivating one-page websites that'll spark your imagination. Enter Landing Folio. This website is a gold standard for discovering beautifully crafted landing page designs. From startup landing pages to app launches, Landing Folio provides a curated collection of visually appealing designs that nail the art of conversion. If mobile app design is your niche, Mobin is the place to be. This platform focuses on mobile UI and UX inspiration, featuring screenshots from popular apps. Last but definitely not least, we have uiuxcreative. Renowned in the design community, uiuxcreative showcases the best of the best. It's a hub for award-winning websites that push the boundaries of creativity and innovation. Get ready to be inspired by cutting-edge designs and innovative approaches to web design. And there you have it, folks. These 5 websites are absolute gems when it comes to design inspiration. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just starting, exploring these platforms will surely ignite your creativity and help you stay at the top of your design game. Links to all these fantastic resources are in the description below. Happy designing! If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more design tips, trends, and inspiration. Until next time, keep creating and stay inspired.